Lots of people are earning from Amazon by selling various products, but now a new trend is on Amazon is called AWS, and over thousands of people are earning $700 per day from Amazon AWS, which is totally free and very easy, just only for if you don't have any previous knowledge or experience or skills. You can get this opportunity easily from home, from the every corner of this world. So in this whole video I would like to share 3 steps to earning easily. So this number 1 is unveiling how to get certified by Amazon for free. Step number 2, how to create the business and earn cash first. And number 3, my $1,000 per day autopilot system I'd like to share. So step by step, watch this one from starting to the end. First one, I would like to share this interface. This is $1,22785 per year. So this is the website which will help you to get benefited from following this strategy. So there are lots of amounts of money you are watching this one. So after completing the Amazon certification, you will ensure a small or big or medium amount of money from this website easily. So now I would like to share this one. So this is called AWS products, aws.amazon.com. Make sure to stay connected. Actually, people who are certified, they are earning from here. This one, this is called Amazon AWS, and it's Amazon's another services. I know you have your business data, email number, phone number, etc. So after getting your certification or completing your certification, you can provide all types of information to Amazon AWS for earning more and more. If you know to Amazon, hey Amazon, this is my business data on your cloud, and if your purpose like this, you will be benefited more and more from here. Now I would like to share how will you get certified and start making money online by using this strategy and benefited more and more from here. Now I have searched AWS.training, which is very pretty cool for completing your certification from this platform here. After coming here, you will get these features. First one is AWS Cloud Partner Practitioner Essentials 2nd edition, and this one is fundamental level course, is intended for individuals who seek an overall. This one is Introduction to Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud ECT, and this is an introduction to Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud or Amazon ECT, web service that. And number 3 is Introduction to Serverless Development. This course will orient you to key serverless concepts to help you start developing easily from here. And this one is another Introduction to Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud EC2, and this one you can complete from this website easily. So this is totally free. You can get benefited after joining with this Amazon AWS training program. So after completing all the training programs from here, you can get more benefited. And now I would like to share another 3 trusted websites which is very helpful and easy, just free. As a beginner or a professional freelancer, you can get benefited from these websites. They are machine learning for developers and serverless computing, and there is certification, exam readiness, and network and content delivery, DevOps, developer tools, security and SysOps, and Internet of Things, LOT, migration and transfer, media and streaming service, whatever you can see here, and you can get benefited by getting this free courses from this AWS.training. Now I like to share another one. This one is AWS certification. After creating an account on this platform here, you can get benefited after all. So AWS certification helps learners build credibility and confidence by validation their cloud expertise with an industry organized credential, and organizations identify skilled professionals to lead cloud initiatives using AWS. And you can learn more from here. Just click on this on how to prepare for your exams. Sign in just after creating an account on this platform. Schedule and manage exams, view your certification history, access your digital badges, and download your certificate and view your certification benefits from here. So this is the easiest way and greatest opportunity just for you. You can choose this from here. And now I would like to share another 3 trusted websites which is very helpful for you, and you can start your journey as a freelancer to start earning from these 3 websites, which is very helpful, and I think highest paying and lowest paying you can compare after watching this whole video at a glance. Now I would like to share number 1 is called Fiverr.com. You know that Fiverr.com is a professional marketplace. Lots of categories are available on this platform here. First one is programming and tech. There are lots of subcategories on this platform. And number 2 is graphics and design, logo and brand identity, gaming, art and illustration, visual design, package and labels. Lots of subcategories on here. Digital marketing, writing and translation, and video and animation, music and audio, business, lifestyle and industries. If you search on about this Amazon AWS, you will watch lots of gigs on AWS gigs from here. So after coming here, you have to create an account just for free. And if you don't create any account on Fiverr.com, I cordially request to watch my previous videos from my YouTube channel. If you just click on this playlist of my YouTube channel, just you will get lots of Fiverr tutorials on this here. So Fiverr earning tutorials step by step. Watch this one if you want to earn much more from Fiverr.com easily. So after coming here, you have to create an account on this platform, and after creating this account, you have to create an eye-catchy gig like this. This one is a gig on Amazon AWS. I will set up Amazon EC2 S3. I think I have shared with you. Just after coming here, you can watch this one, and lots of certification on EC2, and this one is EC2 and lots of certification on this AWS.training. So after getting certification, you have to come to this Fiverr.com, and this guy has earned 57 times more from this only one gig, and this guy has sold 23 times this gig. I will deploy website on Google Cloud or Amazon AWS EC2 setup free hosting. So you can learn all types of criteria of details about AWS from the Amazon training. And after completing this whole training and get certified from AWS, I mean Amazon AWS, I will fix all issues on Amazon Web Services AWS. This guy has sold 265 times this gig. So his starting is $5, and we know that there are 3 packages on Fiverr.com. So you can set your first gig on this platform after creating an account on Fiverr.com platform. So you can sell your services by using this trustworthy or professional marketplace, I mean Fiverr.com for you. Most of the people are working as a freelancer or as a client like you. So don't hesitate or don't waste your time. Watch this video over and over or again and again to learn how will you get benefited from this website. Number 2, I would like to share another website. This is called PeoplePerHour.com, and this is the highest paying professional marketplace just only for you. If you do the same work on this platform, you will get lots of hours and on Amazon AWS. This one is Amazon app developer, I think, or API programmer, and this one is $503 and fixed price, this one. And this one is also another opportunity just only for you. AWS SAM template and Angular client app for an AWS same project. So if you get benefited from this the Amazon AWS, you can start your journey on this number 2 platform, I mean PeoplePerHour.com. Lots of work or lots of projects works on this platform. Here you can search, and after coming here or creating an account on this platform here. And this one is sell my products on Amazon, and this one is $630. So if you search on second page, third page and fourth page altogether, you will get lots of words on Amazon AWS, I think. So first of all, you have to create an account on this Amazon AWS and get benefited to complete your certification or to complete your training program for earning more and more. Number 2, PeoplePerHour.com. Now I'd like to share another one is called, this is another option, and this is the final option, aws.amazon.com/partners.com. and remember this, you have to spend your time to ensure your extra cash from online. If you give, you can take. This is called give and take policy on this world nowadays. So without hesitation or without hassle, you can spend your time for earning more and more without any types of hesitation by hook or by crook. So after coming here, you will get these features, I think amazing features, which is very helpful or great helpful just only for you. And I think this is pretty cool. Work with an APN partner. The APN helps you identify and choose high quality APN partners with deep AWS expertise and equally positioned to help your company at any stage of your cloud adoption journey. So just click on this here if you source, and as you can see here, and on the other hand, this one is again become an APN partner. Just click on this here and grow as an APN partner. This one is very easy. You have to mind that really you can join the Amazon to grow your business, and they will help you to make money more and more. Remember this, you are joining with Amazon and it is benefited. On the other hand, you are benefited. It's called giving and taking all together from this online platform here. I have shared about this some tips and tricks which is very helpful for only for you as a beginner or a professional freelancer to earn extra cash from these 3 websites by using Amazon AWS altogether.